Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Karcher RCV2 vacuum cleaning robot. Let's get started. First, flip the vacuum cleaner over and open the battery compartment using a Phillips head PH1 screwdriver. Next, remove the old battery and replace it with a Cameron Sino CS-EFL500VX battery. Make sure it is connected to the power connector properly. Finally, close the battery compartment. And you've successfully replaced the battery in your Karcher RCV2 cleaning robot. Thanks for watching.